In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact support on Pocket Option. Whether you're facing a minor glitch or a complex issue, reaching out to support can make all the difference in resolving your concerns efficiently. Let's walk through the process step by step, making sure that by the end you're fully prepared to get the assistance you need. First, let's head over to Pocket Options platform. You'll want to navigate to their main website simply by opening your web browser and typing in the Pocket Option URL. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on their innovative trading platform where you can access a variety of helpful tools and resources designed to enhance your trading experience. Now that you're on the main page, let's move on to finding the Help section. Next, locate the Help button. This is typically easy to find, but if you're having trouble, look around the top or side menu bars where important links are usually displayed. Clicking on Help will take you one step closer to connecting with their support team. Upon clicking Help, you'll be presented with several options. Here, what you want to do is click on Support Service. This link is crucial as it directs you to the resources specifically dedicated to customer support. It's designed to streamline your experience by pointing you to the right place for assistance. Once in the support service area, you have a couple of options. If your query is simple and you need a quick response, you should click on Support Chat. This feature allows you to send a message directly to a support agent and receive swift assistance. It's perfect for straightforward questions or minor issues that need short-term solutions. However, if your issue is a bit more complex,